What's up, everyone, and welcome to a new episode. First time recycling. We got myself, Hero, here.
You got Alvin.
We got Alvin.
Got your superstars. Hero paused. You saw me like superstars.
Superstars of the show. So on our last episode, we remember Alvin pulled a hamstring, so we're kind of taking it easy today and show you another thing that we like doing, and that's cars. So we're going to a car meetup called Supercar Sunday, and it's at our local community college here called Pierce College. So
apparently on their website they call themselves world famous, so it's like us calling ourselves superstars.
They
call themselves world famous.
World
Supercar
famous.
Sunday.
Well, yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of exotic cars, import cars, all that. So we can't wait to get there. We're probably kind of late. I woke up late this morning.
I know, out of all the turn of events,
all the times. Yeah, we were streaming last night on our other channel, and I woke up late today. So we're gonna try to make it, at least see the cars go exit out of the parking lot, or if they're still there, then we're gonna go and check them out. So yeah, we're gonna head out.
Do it.
Ready? All right. Woo.
All right. The life of no pedaling. That goes Hero. Me. Gonna say, guys, the buffeting for a win with my leg. Super awesome.
Yeah.
We're out here. Obviously got the homeless out here too down the street. All the tagging over there. Welcome to LA.
Supra S2K. It looks like they're leaving already. Old school Porsche. All right, so looks like they're leaving already, but we might be able to catch the 5-0 up ahead. Chopper. Oh, Ferrari 512 TR. All right, we are here, guys. I gotta wear masks. I saw people wearing masks. 240. All right. Oh, Ghostbusters. That's what you said. Yeah. Here, let me get.
Paying attention to me.
No, I heard Ghostbusters, but I was looking for the car. That is sick. All right, guys. There's a mask mandate. Some people aren't, but we're going to. Look at that. That is so cool. All right, so we're gonna walk around and check out the cars. Yeah, that's so cool.
Alright guys, so there's a white ZL1 over here in the background. Boom, if you don't know from our other channel, we work on a ZL1 Camaro. Right now I think we have it, pushing, I think it was like 700 some odd horsepower to the wheels, so it's pretty kick-ass with the stage 3 clutch, or stage 3 cam, sorry, not the clutch, but stage 3 cam. But yeah, that thing looks dope. It's looking nasty sitting there. I like it. And of course, the one thing I keep trying to tell people to do is get actually good tires, and this guy is actually rolling with some nice tires. Look at that, guys. And of course you can see the bike in the background. Yep. Camino could look like this, I'd be happy. Look at that. Did a wonderful job under the hood.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Nice. Man, this is clean. Super clean. Damn. And a convertible right next to it.
Here's Aston Martin here. As Hero said, 007 status. But why I really came over was this guy, Champion. And it's a Studebaker just chilling over here. Didn't even realize it was over here because the Martin was blocking the view. but it looks pretty dope, guys. Just say really dope, not just pretty dope, but really dope. Alright guys, so definitely a major success.
What a good turnout.
Yeah, it's pretty much a lot of guys. I know we came on pedal power.
Pedal pow.
Pedal power.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, I had my e-bike.
Too bad I couldn't wake up earlier to see more cars, but maybe next time.
Yeah, my leg was just not happy. But yeah, you got Corvette, Mustangs, Dodge. You can tell all the crews are all separated. You know, usually when it gets packed in here, it's all the way down to the fence over there, all the way down to the other fence over there, and this parking lot is full. Again, we are at Pierce College.
Yep,
and
Pierce College.
Yeah, and Supercar Sunday, we will have the website in the description, so if you guys wanted to go and check it out, or if you're in California and you want to see some
here,
yeah, just remember most of the time, most of the guys aren't going to bring out their cars if it's rained or raining. So everybody will stay at home. But
that
yeah,
barely happens here.
Yeah, except last week. Yeah, it was pouring. But yeah, guys, anyway, we'll
right,
see you guys
hope you
next
enjoy
time. Peace. Woo!